Good evening. It's the 1st of September, Labor Day. We're on the Euro USD here for a 70% return, looking for an opportunity. Proteus indicates we have a high probability opportunity to the short side coming up here with confluence from the left-hand side panel as well. So we'll go ahead and execute this trade for a $25 investment to the short side here with a low focus and high probability. So stay tuned. All right, we're back with roughly 10 seconds remaining here on this Euro USD short side trade on the 5-minute time frame. The analysis there was a high probability trade to the short side with confluence from the left-hand panel by ITM Proteus, and the trade has now expired in the money for a $42.5 gross profit on a $25 investment, leading to a $17.5 net profit. Now, the premise behind the trade, as discussed earlier, was high probability short side trade. According to ITM Proteus, we're going to be focusing on high and medium trades only. So we'll wait for the next 5-minute interval for the next one. All right, we're back. It is currently 18:04. We skipped the 1800 interval since that's the 60, 0, or 30-minute mark that, according to ITM Proteus strategies, is to be avoided. We are looking at a medium probability short side trade coming up. So we're going to take this trade with a $25 investment again to the short side here on the 5-minute time frame on the Euro USD. Let's quickly check the chart here. Medium probability short side trade, and we're going to engage at 55 seconds as we have now. So just going to wait for the trade to go in. We are in. We'll come back to you just before expiry. All right, back again. It is now 17 seconds through to expiry. We're looking at this trade also in the money with a medium probability when executed to the short side here, according to ITM Proteus. The trade was taken at a time when volatility throughout the day has been quite low due to Labor Day, and it's going to continue to be this way. So since probability is now medium, we were able to take the trade. However, should the probability turn low at any point during this session, we will not be engaging in any low trades, and low probability trades are very likely during times of low volatility, as on holidays such as Labor Day. So we're now just going to wait for this trade to expire and come back at the next 5-minute interval at 18:15, just before 18:15, to see if we have an opportunity at that time. Thank you. All right, it is now 18:14:34. We're looking at this old trade here that expired in the money earlier on. Let's see if Proteus has an opportunity for us. We're looking at a low probability move to the long side, the high trade, pointed to by ITM Proteus. However, it does carry low probability, and as we discussed earlier, in a medium, moderate to conservative strategy that we follow here on these trading sessions using Proteus, low probability trades are to be avoided. So we'll come back again in the next interval. All right, it is 18:19, the next 5-minute interval. Let's have a look at what Proteus is saying on the chart here. This is the old trade that expired in the money. Again, a low probability scenario with a short side move projected by Proteus, but carrying a low probability of success. Therefore, once again, according to the strategy, we will avoid this trade since it does not have medium or high probability. All right, next 5-minute interval. It is currently 18:24:42. Let's have a look at Proteus. If Proteus has another medium to high probability scenario, we will take it. Otherwise, no. We are looking at more low probability scenarios occurring, and the price has gone into a sideways crisscross movement there. It is Labor Day, so what we're going to do is call it quits. We are into the evening. Volumes have dropped. Volatility is fairly low. It is a holiday, and a lot of US volume tends to drop off on such holidays. So what we've done today is execute 2 trades so far and avoided a couple where low probabilities surfaced. We only took medium to high probability trades. And that is one of the premises behind using ITM Proteus, that you do see a probability of success associated with each move that Proteus shows you on screen on the right-hand side. And on the left-hand side, you have additional confluence metrics that you can follow if you like, for added confluence, for added confirmation that lagging indicators are saying the same thing as Proteus on the right-hand side, which is a leading indicator. So what we've done here is demonstrate how to trade both conservatively as well as safely, using medium to high probabilities only. And the true benefit of having Proteus is that on the right-hand side, you have a leading indicator, and on the left-hand side, you have 5 robust lagging indicators that are standard MetaTrader 4 indicators. The benefit of having those additional confluence metrics on the left is that you have the output of said indicators presented to you in a much more readable, easy to visualize format by simply showing you whether the market is up or down, as opposed to having a whole bunch of curves and lines on your chart to A, clutter it, and B, make it more confusing to really arrive at a decision on whether you are looking up or down on a particular indicator. By having the additional confluence metrics on the left, you have the ability to immediately see what percentage of lagging indicators are showing a short side move or a long side move. And then you can compare it, if you like, to the Proteus analysis section on the right-hand side that displays to you a leading move, what is likely to happen in the future. Some traders will completely avoid the additional confluence metrics on the left. That's perfectly fine. Some traders just do not want to refer to lagging indicators because the move has already transpired and hence probably lost steam. On the right-hand side is the leading indicator, which a lot of traders tend to trade with, because it is a likely projection of what is going to happen in the future and hence presents to you a completely opposite view to what lagging indicators may or may not say at the time. So it is a very robust, very powerful tool, suite of tools to have when trading in any time-sensitive context, such as Forex trading or binary options trading or stocks, commodities, indices, whatever you're after on the asset class front, and definitely helps traders achieve a more robust decision-making process without the stress involved of doing so with multiple indicators on your chart and a fairly powerful leading indicator on the right-hand side of your chart telling you what is likely to happen on this short-term time frame going forward. Thank you.